Today's 3D Solutions Spotlight is titled Unlock SOLIDWORKS Benefits You Didn't Even Know You Had. Make the most of your SOLIDWORKS subscription. Today, we'll go over how you can improve your productivity and keep ahead of the curve with your subscription service. We'll discuss features you may have not known existed with your subscription service. And finally, we'll discuss our customers' experiences. As most of you already know, subscription services provides local technical support from engineers via phone, email, or chat. At Hawk Ridge, we currently have over 65 engineers that can provide answers you need to technical issues. These images here show just some of our support engineers in the Portland and Mountain View office. Comprehensive support from our SOLIDWORKS experts can improve your productivity by guiding you through any technical challenges via interactive, live, real-time online screen sharing sessions. For instance, if you find one of your files is constantly crashing, then get in touch with one of our technical support engineers and they can remotely view your screen to troubleshoot and provide you with solutions to improve your everyday productivity. We also have Hawk Ridge Systems 24/7 support. I'll bring up our website here. You can log into our Hawk Ridge Systems support by selecting the support option and then the support login option. Then just select login to support to access our website. You will have to put in your credentials to log in as well. With this site, you can submit an issue as a ticket and have one of our support engineers get back to you with a solution by clicking on the Submit Request option here. And you can do this 24/7. This is the same as sending us an email to support as well. So you can send us an email to support at Hawk Ridge Sys as well. While you wait to hear back from us, feel free to explore the website's vast knowledge base for articles that discuss common issues and their solutions. So this is where you can just browse. You can even do searches here. There's also free tutorials and over 100 videos on the SOLIDWORKS 3D design family of solutions. There's even a critical issues news feed that you can use to keep you updated about any critical issues that may be affecting your productivity and efficiency. Just click on the news and updates, and I'd highly recommend signing up for these notifications by clicking on the important updates and notices, and then just select the follow option here. We'll only post critical information here so that it'll get emailed to you to let you know before an issue occurs sometimes. And if we go to the customer portal page, so with subscription service, you also have access to an expansive web-based repository of resources within the SOLIDWORKS customer portal. This site can be accessed through www.solidworks.com. You select the login and select the customer portal option and input your credentials. You'll have access to numerous features such as the knowledge-based articles that describe software uses or issues. This is where already existing bug reports, also known as SPRs, can be searched and viewed. If you've ever had a Hawk Ridge Systems support engineer escalate an issue to SOLIDWORKS, these communications could be seen under My SRs. If those corresponding SRs generate a bug report or you are attached to a bug report, then you'll see these listed under My SPRs. So with access to the customer portal, you'll also have the ability to generate enhancement requests to help you become more efficient in your everyday today activities. This is where you can submit an enhancement request. Subscription service members initiate more than 90% of hundreds of enhancements in every SOLIDWORKS version. So if you find having a new feature would benefit you, then just generate an enhancement request or vote for an already existing enhancement request to impact future SOLIDWORKS softwares. And this search bar just allows you to easily search already existing enhancement requests or generate new ones. Now, you're probably all aware subscription services provides you with software upgrades, new versions, and special releases such as early visibility service packs, which can keep you ahead of the curve. A schedule of this service pack projected timeline can be seen here. We go back to the customer portal page. You can access downloads just by simply logging into the SOLIDWORKS customer portal and going to the downloads and updates section. This area allows you to view the general hot fixes of each of the service packs. So as you can see here, this list shows all the critical bugs that were fixed in the product. You can see how SP3 had this one critical SPR fix, so you shouldn't have that issue anymore in SP3. Also, as a subscription member, you have extended software life, which is up to 12 months from the release of the current version. SOLIDWORKS addresses any critical issues you experience while using the software, whether you're on the current version or the prior release. We went over some of the most commonly known features available with subscription services. Now we'll go over more of the subscription service features that you may not be familiar with. Here's a list of those features that we'll go over today. We'll go over the My SolidWorks, recertified SolidWorks exam certifications, visualize software and PhotoView 360 network render, extended material database service via Matereality, Hawkridge Systems night school training, Hawkware and Hawk tools, as well as beta. The first example we'll discuss is the mysolidworks.com website. MySolidWorks is a website for all things SolidWorks. I'll bring up the web page here. This site consolidates all the SolidWorks websites. With this search bar, you can easily search and access answers to questions regarding SolidWorks and view online training either from your desktop or from your mobile device. This site allows you to stay current regarding SolidWorks as well as let users contribute and share information regarding SolidWorks through the Buzz column here and the forum section. As a subscription member, you can access My SolidWorks Standard, which provides you with 30 hours of online training. There are featured learning paths, such as the CSW exam prep course. This would be actually helpful in preparing you for a certified SolidWorks certification exam. These exams usually come at a cost, but are included at no extra cost with your subscription. With subscription services, you receive one voucher every year to take the CSWA or CSWP exam. So under mysolidworks.com, you can do a quick search such as subscription service certification. And then click on products and support. And all you need to do is select the first SolidWorks certification link, which will bring you to this page. And if you're already on subscription, all you have to do is select this offer details option. And clicking on this option will bring you to the voucher page, which looks like this. Receiving your certification validates your proficiency with SOLIDWORks and gives you a competitive advantage from other users. SOLIDWORKS Visualize, formerly known as Bunk Speed, is also only available with SOLIDWORKS Professional or Premium and subscription services. This video here is a small example of what Visualize can do. Visualize is a standalone software tool that combines industry-leading rendering capabilities with design-oriented features and workflows that enable users to quickly create visual contents for designers, engineers, marketing, and other content creators with ease. PhotoView 360 is another rendering tool that allows users to create renders of images and animations within SOLIDWORKS. PhotoView 360 also comes with SOLIDWORKS Professional and Premium. However, the PhotoView 360 Network Render tool is also only available with subscription. So these options here won't work unless you have subscription service. And the PhotoView 360 Network Render is a tool that utilizes unused processing cores on machines on your network to create renders more quickly. So if you have a coworker who is on the same network as you and they'll be on vacation for a few days, then you can utilize the PhotoView 360 Network Render tool on their machine to generate these renders more quickly. Another feature available with subscription service is the Extended Material Database service, which is provided through a partnership with Materiality. If you use SOLIDWORKS Simulation Professional or Simulation Premium, then you probably already know that you need accurate material properties to achieve accurate results. If you have subscription service, you can get access to the SOLIDWORKS Materials web portal, which is a large library of materials. This tool offers users with material properties such as stress strain curves and fatigue curves. I'll quickly show you how you can access these materials. And just keep in mind, you have to have SOLIDWORKS Simulation Professional or Premium, and you must have subscription services to access these features. So if you do have those things, just make sure simulation is enabled, and you can do this within a part file or a assembly file. Just right-click on Edit Material, or right-click on Material, select Edit Material, and the material properties window will show up. Now, on the bottom left corner here, you have this option. Click here to access more materials using the SOLIDWORKS Materials web portal. Keep in mind, this option here will only be available if you are on subscription or have SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium or Professional. So just go ahead and click here on this option, and you'll see this window pops up. This indicates that you need subscription services to access this feature. So we'll just go ahead and select OK. And this web page will show up. This is the Materiality web page. You can specify a study that you'll be doing. So we'll go ahead and select nonlinear here, and it will want you to select the material model type. In our case, we'll select plasticity von Mises. And then for the class, we'll go ahead and select plastic, and we'll just select locate materials. And you'll see all these materials that are available. There's about 5 pages worth. We'll just go, for this example's purpose, we'll just go ahead and select the first material. And we'll select the test temperature value and select start conversion. And this brings up the material properties. If you select tables and curves here, this will show you the material stress strain curves. And all you need to do is select download, and you'll have access to these materials for your simulation study. Now we'll go back to the PowerPoint. So Hawkridge Systems also provides night school training for our subscription service customers. We have about 3 of these events per year in 3-hour sessions. In each session, our application engineers share useful tips, tricks, and procedures for the event focus topic. This image shows one of our application engineers providing a training session at one of our events. And don't worry, so if you can't make it to an event, we'll also have the recordings available on our Hawkridge Systems website. So you can just log in and view the videos there. Users also have access to free productivity tools for SOLIDWORKS and PDM Professional through Hawkware and Hawk Tools. Hawkware is a brand of applications developed by a small but highly experienced team from Hawkridge Systems. Hawkware has a collection of productivity enhancing applications through Hawk Tools, which is easily accessible from your task pane in SOLIDWORKS once it's installed. Hawk Tools for SOLIDWORKS includes tools such as the fillet renamer, which allows you to quickly rename updates and model fillets and rounds using radius values. Hawk Tools for PDM Professional includes tools such as the SOLIDWORKS BOM Exporter, the Copy as Path for PDM, and the Add References tool. The SOLIDWORKS BOM Exporter just allows users to save time on having to save out bombs as CSV or Excel files. Hawkware also develops TreeView, which is a standalone desktop utility for visualizing complex SOLIDWORKS references. You have the ability to expand and collapse any branch, manage the custom properties, take snapshots of the structure, automatically generate high-resolution preview images, and build entirely new SOLIDWORKS assembly structures from your templates or existing models, all visually. This here is a visual representation of what TreeView can do. So each of those discussed products can be accessed through this web page called www.hawkwareapps.com. Products I discussed can be found here under Hawkware for PDM or for Hawkware for SOLIDWORKS. You can learn more about each product and download the product by selecting the product here and then going to More Info. We'll select More Info for Hawkware Tools. If you select any of these options to find out what each tool does, it'll bring you to a video page that'll show you what these tools actually do. And if you want to download them, just browse down to the very bottom and just select the Download Now button. Now we'll go back to the PowerPoint. And last but not least, discuss SOLIDWORKS Beta. So SOLIDWORKS Beta is exclusive to users with SOLIDWORKS Subscription. With Beta, you can be the first one to test new and enhanced SOLIDWORKS products. Keep in mind, you do not want to use Beta for commercial purposes. It is only available so you can access and test new features and designs that will be available in the next future version. You can connect with the SOLIDWORKS community as well as interact with the SOLIDWORKS R&D team and management, and you can report any issues you see in the future software version. So participating in beta can make the product better for not just you, but for every other SOLIDWORKS user. The SOLIDWORKS, the beta homepage can be accessed through the SOLIDWORKS customer portal. So if we go back to the customer portal, all you need to do is click on the beta home to find out how to sign up for beta and find more information about it. So not only is beta a way for you to test and learn about the new upcoming software, but you have the ability to also participate in contests for over 100 prizes. To view these contest rules and prizes, just click on the Show Off Your Skills option here, and then you can learn about the different rules and prize information There's things like design contests here that you can participate every year if you're on subscription. So just make sure you're utilizing your subscription services as best as you can. With so much that our subscription services can offer, you really don't want to miss out on any of the benefits. Our customers say it best when they say, "Great service again, and I learned something new." Subscription services are here to improve your productivity and provide you with the tools to become more efficient. And if you're curious about any of these features discussed here today, just please give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'll have the answers for you. And that's all for today's webinar. Here's the schedule for our upcoming sessions. The next 3D Solution Spotlight will be about top tips and performance guidelines for getting more from your SOLIDWORKS PDM system. And if, as I mentioned before, if you guys have any questions on how to get to somewhere in a specific location, just give Hawkridge Systems a technical support a call or shoot us an email and let us know if you need exact information on how to use a certain feature. And let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll take a look and stay here for about 5 minutes to see if you guys have any information about this. And if not, thank you for joining us today and have a good rest of your day.